Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if, like me, you've been using Final Cut Pro for a long time, you'll be noticing your hard drive on your Mac is just like disappearing like into nothing. It's madness, right? It scared the shit out of me the first time I fell. I was like, what the hell is going on, right? Do not fear. It's a simple Final Cut issue, and I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Head over into Final Cut Pro. If you head up to the top right here and go to File, go to Delete Generated Clip Files, you want to delete the optimized media and delete the proxy media. What these are just temporary cache render files that are used to help to just speed up production in Final Cut Pro, i.e. by scrubbing, by previewing, relatively high resolution, etc. All the imported files that you use to make the video are going to be perfectly safe, so don't worry, and problem solved. Hard disk has been liberated. So if you found that useful, guys, I know it's a really, really short and sweet one. Please like and subscribe if you like the content, and I'll see you on another one. Ciao.